to straight up stealing others' videos by disguising it as a quote reaction video.
Oh, it looks like a cartoon!
Content theft is a massive problem on YouTube, and it only seems to be getting worse.
You must be saying, Mosh, I'm here to make money, and I don't care about YouTube's video theft. Please bear with me. I do not do anything that does not make me money. Video makes money, and we make videos to make money on a daily basis. I'll come to that in a moment, but before that, here is an AI software that we built to solve your video creation problem forever. Just look at how it works.
Look at this video from Tai Lopez. It's got over 156,000 views in just a few hours of uploading. Amazing, right? But here's the challenge. One of our team members, Rabbi, really wants to create videos like this, but there's a catch. He's shy on camera and doesn't want to show his face. Sound familiar? Well, let's see how Rabbi can make the exact same video without ever stepping in front of the camera. Here's how it works. First, we upload Rabbi's image as a reference. Then we grab Tai Lopez's video as our target content. All that's left to do is click submit. And boom, here it is.
When you see somebody you want to meet, be bold. Walk up to them and start a conversation.
The exact same video, now with Rabbi's face. Now let's switch things up. What if we wanted Donald Trump's face on this video instead? Easy. Just upload Donald Trump's image, use the same target video, click submit, and boom, another flawless video, done in seconds.
No fear. The world is cruel to overly shy men.
No camera, no stress, no limits. With Lucid Fluencer AI, you can be the face of any video without ever showing yours. Ready to make your mark? Let's get started.
This was just a demo of how it works. And the reason we made it that most of the people who want to make money online and they know that they have to make videos, they come to me with a problem. The problem is they do not want to show their faces because they feel that they do not look well. So there are two things you can do completely legally with this application. Make a video yourself and change your face on the video to somebody else that you want or you have legal rights to. Or use a video that you have rights to use, such as YouTube's Creative Commons videos or other PLR videos or any other content that you have legal rights to use, and put your face on it. This way the video will look completely natural, it will have a face on it, but you do not have to put yourself in front of the camera if you're not confident. We just launched this program and it's on a crazy deal right now. AI has never been affordable like this before. So the link is in the description. Go ahead, grab this software and start making your videos. And in a moment I will show you the multiple ways you can make money with videos. If you can't find the link, then go to moshbari.com/lucid.
Occasional you laugh you lose videos are one thing, but entire channels built around recycling someone else's content, that's a whole nother level of shamelessness. These content thieves steal others' content, profit off it immensely, and don't even bother crediting the original creators, let alone asking for their permission. That said, even among the many content farmers on YouTube, there are a few who take things a bit too far.
Before he introduces himself, have you noticed that this video is actually a faceless video?
I'm the Internet Anarchist. I create weekly YouTube documentaries, and today we'll be taking a look at the worst content thieves on YouTube.
This video got 2.1 million views. And the story is interesting. If you are wondering that there are a lot of faces in this video, none of these faces is the face of this video creator. So that makes it faceless. Now, why are we talking about this today? Because videos can make you money in 4 different ways. But the problem is, most people want to make money, but they do not want to show their faces. And the topic discussed in this video is one of the biggest solutions for making a faceless video, run a faceless channel, and make money completely anonymously. Now, that being said, I'm not talking about downloading somebody's video and uploading it as your own. No, that's completely illegal. You can get your account shut down, potentially get sued, and lose a lot of money and respect. I'm talking about this.
Take a look at the intro of Drew's video and then the intro of Brent's video.
This is Japan's cheapest capsule hotel, a first-class sleeping pod, and a capsule bed in a library. And I'm gonna travel around Japan to stay at all of them and more for the next 100 hours. Starting with my first hotel.
All right, now let's take a look at Brent's.
So we're in Tokyo, Japan, and for the next 100 hours, we're gonna be forced to stay in some of the most unique capsule hotels Japan has to offer.
Let's do it.
From robots that check you in, to capsules that watch your sleep patterns, there's even a sleeping pod that's hidden in a library.
Okay, so what is a capsule hotel room?
And this wasn't an isolated example either. He's been blatantly stealing videos from other smaller creators for years at this point. Take his video featuring the world's shortest woman, in which he spends a full day with her. And unsurprisingly, this video was stolen from a much smaller creator named Kali Wakasa, who uploaded his original video a month before Brent. The relatively close proximity of the two videos might seem like a coincidence, but that's far from the truth. You see, Kali's video followed a clear storyline. He met with Jyoti, had pizza with her, then took her shopping, and ended the video in an amusement park. And as you might have guessed, Brent's video followed the exact same route, meeting Jyoti, having pizza with her, then shopping with her before visiting a theme park. And as if this wasn't bad enough, Brent even stole the inspirational monologue that Kali used to cap off the video.
She might be the world's smallest woman, but she definitely has the world's biggest heart.
But even though Jyoti is the smallest woman in the world, she definitely has the biggest heart, and that's what matters.
All this attention to his stolen content led to a wave of backlash, with a commenter stating, "Stealing video ideas and thumbnails is one thing, but stealing whole scripts is absolutely insane."
Now, let me know in the comment what you think about this theft. Is it really a theft or is it not? Because in order to succeed, you may need to make a lot of videos. One video may go viral and another one may not. And when you have a big account, like millions of followers and subscribers, if one video doesn't resonate with your audience, then they may look for inspiration elsewhere. So when you are at the growth stage, you focus on quantity of your videos. You post more and more to get one video viral. And then when you grow and now you want to scale, you need quality. And quality is not easy. You have to spend time, money, and effort to actually make a quality content. And if you make your audience wait too long, then they will go and watch somebody else's video. So this FOMO, or fear of missing out, make people take a shortcut. So the first question is it legal to model somebody's video or not? Absolutely legal. Ideas don't have copyright.
On the 26th of October 2022, Jax Films, a YouTube veteran with a history of calling out lazy react channels, uploaded a video simply titled SS Sniper Wolf. In this video, Jack announced that he was starting a new parody channel called JJ Jax Films, which would be primarily focused on reacting to SS Sniper Wolf videos.
So I recently stumbled across an entry on Know Your Meme that read, "Sissa Sniper Wolf spends millions on new mansion." For those that don't know, Sissa Sniper Wolf is a YouTuber who reacts to TikToks. Well, this news kind of inspired me, so what I've done is I've created a brand new YouTube channel called JJ Jax Films. And so far I've only uploaded one video titled TikToks That Gave Me a Tummy Ache. Here's a little snippet.
Your mom a hoe.
Oh, it says your mom a hoe. Oh, that's not very nice. This is giving me a tummy ache.
Now here is the interesting part. It looks like somebody is stealing somebody's content and a third person is stealing the second person's content. But what does audience say?
This was a very creative and elaborate way for Jack to highlight Leah's lazy content, and the fans loved it. "This is the most elaborate roast Jack has ever done. With the effort he's putting into this new channel, we gotta get this man a mansion." This channel quickly grew to 50,000 subscribers, showing that there was a market of people who simply wanted to make fun of Leah's low-effort reactions. But despite the comedic nature of his criticism, Jack was 100% against Leah's brand of content.
If you're still watching, up until now, you have been watching me talking about one person's video who is talking about other person's video who talk about other people's videos. And the fans love it because fans don't want to think, they just want entertainment. People come to YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram for entertainment. Ask anyone, hey, why are you on Instagram? Why are you on TikTok? Why Facebook? They will answer, I'm learning something, or I'm checking what's going on in the world. What you are actually watching is one person make one video. Another person somehow leverages that success, and the other people leverage both of their successes. It's like when something happens, you will find the same news in all newspapers. Now, by now, you should be fed up and you should be asking, Mosh, where is money? Money is here, my friend. I paid over $2.6 million from one of my Warrior Plus accounts to my affiliates. Here is another account where we made $468,000. What do? I make content just like this and I put them on YouTube. Look, when I took this screenshot, I had only 2,700 subscribers. Right now, I have 3,200 subscribers. I have 286,000 followers on TikTok and over 150,000 followers on Instagram. And these are just one account's of each platforms, and I have multiple. So before I tell you how I make money, which is easier than how these content creators make money. Yeah, their way is harder than my way of making money. And that is why they need millions of views, subscribers, followers. Google pays somewhere between $3,000 to $5,000 for 1 million views. So someone living in the US who wants to earn $5,000 a month must get 1 million views minimum on YouTube. And you know whether it's easy or hard. I make one long video every single day. And right now I have only 3,000 subscribers. How much Facebook pays for 1 million views? Somewhere between $8,750 to $10,000. And TikTok pays you somewhere between $100 to way up to $1,000. So make one video and publish on multiple platforms, multiple accounts. That's the way to go. That's a good business model. When you have content, you can do whatever you want with them. However, we do not depend on views. We do not depend on these platforms. They pay us money or not. They shut down our account or not. They approve our partnership with them or not, we make money. Here are the steps we follow. We use AI. And if you are not using AI yet, be careful, be alert, and start taking action right now. AI is going to replace human workers very soon. But we use AI to learn new skills and knowledge. We use AI to analyze. We use AI for ideas. And because we use AI that works for us 24/7 without sleeping, without taking rest, without even going to washroom, we come up with new ideas pretty fast and we execute fast. Then we use all our new knowledge, skills, analysis reports, ideas, and make content. Short form content, long form content, then we upload them on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Now this part is old. You know everybody else does the same. But what is new that helps make our students money? For example, a couple of hours back, Ilham made $300. Day before yesterday, she made another $300. And on the same day, Rabbi made another $300. Okay, now you're curious what's going on here with our videos. Let's go back to this screenshot, which is one of my Warrior Plus accounts. And these are the results of our affiliates who promoted our digital offers. Looking at the commissions they made is super exciting. And you must be asking how? How did they make money? The answer is they send traffic, visitors, or potential customers to these offers. When these visitors, traffic, and potential customers purchase something from them, they earned these commissions. Look at the numbers. 6 figures, 5 figures, and this is even almost 6 figures. Now let me go a little deeper. Do you see this RPH or revenue per hop? This column shows how much money they made on the average from each visitor. This affiliate made $1.02 from each visitor he sent to our offer. And this affiliate made $7.87 for each visitor. So every single visitor that come from our content views are important. It doesn't matter how many percentage of those visitors actually end up buying. On the average, we make this kind of money from every single visitor. This is why, in my opinion, after making 8 figures selling digital products online to over 100,000 customers across 33 countries, I believe affiliate marketing is the best model for beginners to start with. Now, once you have seen this, you know that you don't really need to steal from anyone. All you need to do is to make valuable content. And for that, you need to spend 30 minutes to 1 hour per day on learning what's going on in the world. And I want you to focus on AI because AI is changing the world and AI is helping people. You can learn fast, you can make content fast, you can get traffic fast, and you can make money fast. But there is a problem. You don't have time. Very unfortunate. You think this way. Look at this. These are 24 hours of your life. You start your day job at 9 a.m. and you finish at 5 p.m. So this time you are completely occupied. 8 hours. Don't complain about this 8 hours because there is more. You commute from home to your work 1 hour and from work to your home in the evening 1 hour. Then at 10 at night, you go to bed and you sleep until minimum 5 a.m. Now, in the evening, you must spend at least 2 hours for yourself and with your family. And in the morning, you have to do the same, like at least 1 hour. for yourself and with your family. Now, if you look at the timetable, in the morning you have 2 hours and in the evening you have 2 hours. You have total 4 hours to learn something and try something. There is no excuse. However, there is a catch. In the evening, people are usually very tired, so you can't do anything creative. And in the morning, your mind is at your day ahead. What am I gonna do today? What kind of work I'll have to handle today? What my boss is going to say today? Ultimately, you keep yourself busy with the same life, with the same circle every single day. But you can never deny the fact that you still find time to watch some videos, scroll the social media, and complain about how hard your life is, how less time you have to do something else. The only time you start thinking about trying something else is when you lose your job or you get fed up with your job. This is called hamster wheel. There is one way to get out of this hamster wheel, and that's exactly what these members of our program did. They let us take care of 99% of their work. So we do all the technical work for them. Their job is to utilize 1 hour to 2 hours from their times per day, according to our guidance. And if you want to know how they are doing it, how we are doing it, there is a free training in the link in the description. Go watch that training, and after watching, if you still have questions, feel free to DM me on Instagram or on Facebook. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. And if you want to learn more about making money online, getting free traffic, watch these videos and these videos. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, hit the like button, share with your friends and family, and we will see you on the next video.